Hey friends, Chef here, and today I'm sharing these easy and comforting Tikka Masala Drumsticks. This Tikka Masala Drumsticks recipe is very straightforward. I have 8 pieces of drumsticks here. Also for the recipe, I have my favorite spices: cumin, coriander, garam masala, chili powder, paprika, turmeric, ginger, garlic. I'm gonna use some tomato paste, some curry leaves, and this is Katsuri methi or Fenugreek, perfect for finishing. I will peel and dice 1 onion, 1 jalapeno, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Dice these tomatoes. Tomatoes into the bowl. I'm going to use just a half of this jalapeno, seeds off. Just cut it into some stripes. Peel and dice. Onions into the bowl, start cooking. Season the drumsticks, salt and pepper. Gas on, heat pan. Into the pan, vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, start searing the drumsticks. You want to hear that sizzle. After about 3 minutes, the chicken is starting to get color, turn and sear on all sides. After about 6 minutes, the drumsticks are all seared. Remove onto a plate. Add a tablespoon vegetable oil into the pan. Start building masala, onions. Season a touch, salt and pepper. Cook the onions until they slightly start browning. Onions have turned color here slightly. Add garlic, ginger. Slightly sweat these to release their flavors. All ingredients used in this recipe will be shared in the description box. After about 30 seconds, add the spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala, paprika, some chili powder. Toast the spices slightly. touch tomato paste. Add diced tomatoes, cilantro, lower the heat slightly. Cover and cook until the tomatoes just slightly break down. The tomatoes here are starting to nicely soften. Bring back the chicken into the pot together with all the juices accumulated. That is all flavor as always. Add some curry leaves and the sliced jalapeno. Stir this. Bring the heat back up. Just coat the chicken with this beautiful masala. Starting to look delicious already. If you're liking this video already, please give me a thumbs up. Lay it back, cook for about 5 minutes to let the chicken start absorbing all those flavors. It's been about 5 minutes and the chicken is looking good, absorbing the flavors here. So now add 1.5 cups of water or chicken stock. Give this a good stir. Just baste this chicken with this beautiful looking sauce. Cover and cook for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through on low-medium heat. This dish been slowly cooking here, time to check. The chicken is almost cooked, so it's a good time to check for the seasoning. Add a touch salt and pepper. A touch more of our cilantro. Turn off the heat. Rub in these fenugreek leaves. They have very beautiful aroma. Perfect for finishing. Sprinkle right on top. What a perfect and comforting dish. Some of this delicious looking gravy at the bottom of the bowl. Some good looking drumsticks. That looks good to me. More of this sauce. A little bit of that sauce. And there you have it. Garnish as always. Some parsley, cilantro. This is my moment of digging into this delicious dish. Look at that chicken just flakes off the bones. Can I take this piece here? So the chicken is perfectly cooked, absorbed all the flavors from the spices, the herbs, the garlic, the ginger. Get the chicken with some of this sauce here. This sauce Nice, thick. So friends, there you have it, an easy to make and comforting Tikka Masala Drumsticks recipe, a dish that you can do on any day of the week. Mine goes perfectly with this brown rice. I will leave the recipe up there somewhere. It's a dish that will go with any side of your choice. I hope you're going to give it a try one of these days. Thank you so much for watching. Just remember, subscribe, comment, give me a like down below. I'll see you in the next one.